Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Asus BIOS without USB. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So you can start by going to the Microsoft Store. Once you log into the Microsoft Store, then you can just simply search for My Asus. This will show you this app right here on the top left, which is going to help you update everything automatically. Just click on it and make sure to click Get or Install. And once you install it, then you'll be greeted with this interface right here. And so the main one that you're going to select from home is just to go to your system update. And you can see once you have any update, then it's going to check for it automatically and it's going to show you all the updates available. And as you can see right here, the BIOS update for Windows is usually one of the main ones. Now, if you don't like this technique or maybe it doesn't work for you, all you have to do is to go to your Google Chrome and simply search for Asus support. Once you search for Asus support, then click on here. Then you can just search for your model book. So if I just say Asus VivoBook, so let's say I choose this model right here, VivoBook 14. Click on accept all, let it load. Once you dig for it, it's going to select your model name. So let's choose this one, for example. Click OK. And once you have it right here, then all you have to do is to click on driver tools. Once you click on driver tools, click on the BIOS and firmware. And as you can see from here below, it's going to show you all the updates. So for the BIOS update right here, just click on download. And once you download it and you click on it, open it, it's going to update automatically without you having to go through any other installs. And that's pretty much it. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.